Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. It's Stunning Handwork Idea. Stunning Handwork Idea. As you know that very beautiful channel of cross stitch and embroidery and other handwork. We bring every day for you latest impressive countable ideas of cross stitches hand embroidery patterns. Today we have brought for you very beautiful birds cross stitches hand embroidery design. Colorful, countable, easy to make, easy to count designs. You are watching on Stunning Handwork Idea channel. This channel is a very attractive and heart touching for cross stitches hand embroidery maker. In this channel, you can find every type of cross stitches hand embroidery patterns, easy to make, easy to count, and colorful ideas, letters, and expert are also get pattern from this video. Very easy idea I will give you. But first of all, if you are watching first time this beautiful channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe this beautiful channel. Video is able to like and share. Don't forget to like and share this beautiful video and comment us about this video. How is the video for you? We try to bring every day for you latest, impressive, countable, colorful ideas. Birds, cross stitch and embroidery you are watching this time on Stunning Handwork Idea channel. Video is able to like and share. Don't forget to like and share this beautiful video and comment us about this video. If you like any pattern in this video you want to make, you need pattern, just take a screenshot of your favorite clip. After taking a screenshot, print out of your screenshot by computer. After printing out pattern in your hand, you can make easily your favorite design. This idea is a very important to make cross stitches hand embroidery designs. Thank you so much for watching this video and thanks a lot for your beautiful comment. Be happy forever. Take care of yourself and your family. God bless you and Allah Hafiz.